Hilom ta guys, kaya na klase kayo guys. Palit ko og akong kaugalingong gift for Christmas. So I bought something for my own gift. I went to Walmart. So look at what I bought. Vanilla Folgers. 24 cups. This is my gift for Christmas. From me to me. Cinnamon vanilla coffee. This one is great value, 12 pieces. I bought me Maxwell vanilla flavor. Guys, in the class. Caramel macchiato flavor. 4-hour coffee flavor. And the most of all, Folgers coffee. From me to me. My Christmas gift. Look at my Christmas gift. You see? My Christmas gift from me to me.
He's in class.
Oh. And then, so that I don't feel guilty to my family, I bought Kyle apple pie. And I bought my husband apple pie. So mauni akong gipanggasan nila guys. Di ka kong trabaho guys. Kaning tanan, mahalaga po ni siya og $56 tanan. So, yeah. $56 ni tanan guys. Mao ni akong regalo. Thank you guys for watching. Try this one guys. Good. Good in the morning.